Hey guys, so February got 50% of my Facebook friends married, and jumping very late on the wedding outfits train, I thought I'll show you 6 ways I styled this lehenga. Just in case if you have some more weddings to go to, or please watch it for fun guys. Before we get into the 6 ways, I want to break down the DNA of this lehenga, as in give you the basic details on what kind of a lehenga you will need to achieve the looks I'm going to talk about. So you don't need a jadao, heavy sparkly lehenga from Chandni Chowk. You need to ace a bit, keep it simple, keep it elegant. Okay, I'll get on to the point. You need a subtle, low-key monochromatic lehenga like this one by Fabindia. It did cost me 7,000 bucks, but the ways I rewear it, I'm not complaining. Since it is so simple, I can layer oodles of jewelry or play with the dupatta or pair it with a blouse piece of a fancy sari. For the first look, I paired the skirt with a brocade blouse piece of a sari. This sari look was inspired by the stunning Sridevi ji, and I have a full video on how I recreated this look, just in case you haven't watched the video. Okay, enough of me advertising my own videos. To accessorize, I re-wore my wedding reception jewelry and kept my hair neat because the choker, blouse and earrings are already fighting for attention. Some twirls here and there. Next, I wore the lehenga skirt, this time with a greenish gold brocade blouse piece. This is actually my sister's. She wore it at my wedding and I thought it looked really pretty with the lehenga. I added a mang tikka to a messy bun, which is actually messy, please ignore that folks. Then I layered few faux gajras to make the bun look slightly better and smart. These gajras are actually affordable, like 100 bucks for 10 strings, and they look as good as real. Instead of wearing heavy earrings, I decided to wear some studs in the ears and layered the matching choker of the mang tikka with another choker by Amrapali. Just a styling hack if you want to make your necklace look prettier, and with that I'm ready with the second look. Keeping the dupatta and the skirt same for the third look, I wore a brocade shirt, not a blouse. Brocade looks expensive and very party appropriate, hence my top choice always for weddings. This shirt did have some strings attached to it for like a bow effect. I pushed them inside out and tucked it on the side. Then folded the neck of the shirt into this V shape to make space for the necklace. Fourth, I wore a corset with the same lehenga skirt. This corset and this jewelry, you guys, are such regulars in my videos. Like, I don't know how I would have sustained this channel on my savings had I not bought them. Okay, moving on. The corset is long, so I folded it inside to bring out the waist. I layered my full wedding set minus the earrings. Found a clutch in the closet which matched perfectly with the jewelry, and there you go. Last minute royals for the wedding night. One thing I forgot to mention, that I exchanged the lehenga dupatta with my wedding dupatta because I thought it looked so much better with the jewelry. Final last 2 looks now. Keeping it basic and classy, we will exchange the dupatta of the original lehenga set with a fancier one and wear matching jewelry, gajra and a neat center part bun. Last look is the original look, like how Fabindia's designers would have imagined it to be. The Indian wedding monochrome. Paired this monochrome with a contrast jewelry, brown lip, gajra and a neat center part bun for the sophisticated wedding guest. Comment below what kind of a wedding guest you are. All jazzy or all minimal? Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't, and bye.